Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to announce the winner of our most recent mobility scooter giveaway, and her name is Jennifer. She is a big supporter of our channel. She was real excited when we told her that she won.
Well, I want to scream in your ear right now. I want to be like, yay! I'm like freaking out because I thought it wasn't real when I seen the email. When it said to call, I'm like, hold on. And I'm literally sitting here having a heart attack like, is this real? Is this real? Did they really? This is freaking awesome.
She's getting the Optimus automatic folding mobility scooter. So yes, it's a scooter that folds and unfolds with just the push of a button. It's a really cool scooter. Really happy to give it to her. And I know it's going to help her regain her independence and her freedom. Now, if you want to be eligible for our next mobility scooter giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on any video. Once you do those two things, just send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com with your YouTube username. We will verify that you have subscribed and you've also commented, and that will enter you into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. Thanks so much for your support. Guys, have a great weekend.